How to change your Upwork password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Upwork and want to update your account password, then firstly open up your Upwork application or visit the Upwork website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to open up this expanded menu. Now go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Password and Security for the Security section. Now once you're inside, tap on Change Password at the top. And now, go ahead and enter your current password in the first field. Once you type down your current password, get to the next field and type in your new password you want to change to. Get to the next field and re-enter the new password that you are trying to change to one more time. Finally, tap on Confirm and Log Out at the bottom right corner and you'll be redirected to the login page. You can then enter your newly updated password and your credentials to sign in again. So after you do that, you will be able to log into Upwork with your newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.